Good morning, students. Today we'll be continuing our third chapter, that is time series theory part. Now, in that one, the next topic where we'll be seeing is methods of measuring scalar trend. Now, here we will be having four methods. One is graphical method. I request you people to buy a graph note and keep it with you people, so that from the next class we can start our graphical method problems. Then semi average method, then moving average method, and last is least square method. So these are the four methods which we'll be following. So I need for tomorrow's class graph with everyone. Now first we will see what is graphical method or freehand method. Graphical method is also called as freehand method. In this method, original data will be plotted on the graph. So where we will be plotting, where we will be solving the problems, it will be solved in the graph. Here the time is shown on the x-axis. So what we will be showing, time is shown on the x-axis and the values of the variable is shown on your y-axis. So values will be taken in your y-axis and time is shown on your x-axis. Then a smooth line or curve. Okay, what it is, a smooth line or curve is carefully drawn, which will be show the direction of the trend. So what we will be doing in our freehand, we will be smoothing the line, means we will be connecting the points and we will have a direction of the trend, whether it is upward trend or a downward trend. Then next is my semi average method. So what is this, my semi average method means, in this method the original data divided into two parts. So how many parts will be divided into two parts? This average are calculated for both part. So what we will be doing, will be calculating average for both part. These averages are called as semi average trend value. The two semi average value are written against the center of the two term snap. So where it is written between two term snap. So while doing problems, people will understand this theoretical very carefully. And next is your moving average method. In the from here we will be having both, we will be having classwork solution plus your graphical solution. The method of moving average is based on your arithmetic mean. What it is, on your arithmetic mean. In this method depends on the specified period. The average value for a number of period is taken into account and placing it at the center of the time span. So what it is, the average is taken. So what we will be taking, the average will be taking, that is period of moving average. So for example, there is a sentence that also, the obtained average or moving average or trend value, usually the period of moving average will be 3 4 5, okay, yearly or monthly. So how many, what they will tell, they will ask us the moving method for doing for 3 4 5. Usually these three are asked. If they ask for 3 years, you will add 3 years data, what will be given, for example students, production, sales, okay, etc. on your second column. First column will be your year, second column whatever they give, you will add 3 years, then divided by 3. In the problem I will be explained for you why, where we will write for 3 years, where we will write for 4 years, and where we will write for 5 years. So 3 4 5 we will be writing the numbers, the average numbers we will be taking in different places. For 3 years you will be taking in the second term, okay, we will be having trend 3 years moving trend column 1. So I can't explain that one here with without problem, so I'll be doing the problem and I'll be explained you there. Yeah, next is your least, this is a least square method. This is a mathematical method. See, last one is an arithmetical mean. This is your, this is your mathematical method of measuring trend of type y. So y is equals to f of x. Here in mathematical equation will be fitted to the given time series. The equations may be linear, quadratic or exponential. So this part I have been explained thoroughly with you in the board before doing the problem. So let this be your notes, and this equations also have been explained you very detailedly. Okay, first method is straight line method, where you will be having y is equals to a plus bx. Y is the actual value, x is the time, and a b to consist. Okay, all those things will I'll be explained you very detailedly how we will obtain all those things. So next is the parabolic or quadratic trend. So parabolical or quadratic equation is y is equals to a plus bx plus c x square. Here y is denoted as actual value, x is denoted as time point, a b c are constant. So even this I will just read here and explain very shortly. While doing problem I will explain you with detailedly, okay, how we are going to substitute equations, everything. So sigma y is equals to na plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. Then xy is equals to a sigma x plus b sigma x square plus c sigma x cube. Then sigma x square y is equals to a into sigma square plus b into sigma x cube plus c into sigma x to the power of 4. Now if x is equals to 0, we need to have the terms. Okay, all those things I will explain you detailedly. From equation 3 we will substitute your b, that will that will be sigma xy is equals to sigma x square. So all these solutions I will be doing in a board, where I need to interchange one term with the other term to get the one term. So if I explain here, you people will not understand. In the board I will for sure I will explain you. Next is exponential trend or logarithm trend. The equation of the exponential curve is given by y is equals to ab square, where y is denoted actual value, x is consist, taking logarithm on both the side of equation 1. So what we will be using here, we will be using a log table. So before starting my exponential trend, I will tell you people to keep your log tables with you. Please take your log tables and keep. We get log y is equals to log a plus x log b. Okay, log a and log b are content obtained by. So again this I will explain you very detailedly while doing in the board, because there are some terms where we need to exchange here and there. All those things have been done. So in from your straight line method, okay, from your straight line method in the board, when I'm starting the straight line method, I will write everything very detailedly. Okay, in the least square method there are three terms. One is linear equation, one is quadratic equation, one is exponential, and least square straight line trend also I will explain the formulas, all these formulas. You have your one is the standard normal equation 2 3, and how we will get 2 3, that is a, how we will get b, how we will get everything I have been explained you very clearly, and even I will explain you Italy from your straight line, then parabolic or quadratic, then exponential. I will write everything this on your board, and I'll explain you the formula how we need to change. Okay, which side we have to get, how we need to change, everything will be done on the board. So from your next class we will start the problems. That is, first we will be starting our graphical representation. Okay, your next problem we need to start it is graphical method. So please arrange your graph books with you people. We can start our class. Thank you students.